So you want to retire early, not with a billion-dollar tech company, not with a trust fund, not because your rich uncle left you a penthouse in New York. You just want to do it with your salary. The paycheck that lands in your account every 2 weeks, sometimes looking generous, sometimes looking suspiciously small. The moment you pay rent, swipe your card for groceries, and remember you forgot about that gym membership you never use. Most people instantly think early retirement requires winning the lottery, working in Silicon Valley, or being lucky. But here's the truth. Early retirement on a salary is about a set of silent rules, the ones nobody really talks about but the wealthy live by. And guess what? They work even if you don't have a special advantage. By the end, you'll see how someone in a modest job earning $3,500 a month can still build freedom if they play by these rules. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. If you're committed to transforming your future, hit that subscribe button. We're here to provide the tools and motivation you need to make it happen. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1, treat your salary like a tool, not a trophy. Most people see their salary as a judgment of who they are. They think, if I earn more, I'm worth more. That's not only untrue, it's dangerous. Because when you view money as a trophy, every raise becomes an excuse to upgrade your lifestyle. A bigger paycheck suddenly means nicer shoes, the car with the leather seats, the apartment with floor-to-ceiling windows. And then your money works for your image instead of your future. The wealthy don't obsess over the number on the paycheck. They obsess over what that number does when used as a tool. Think of your income like a hammer. If you just admire it, nothing gets built. But when you swing it at the right targets, investments, savings, skill building, it becomes the bridge to freedom. Once you stop treating your paycheck as your identity and start treating it as a power tool, everything changes. And that mind shift sets you up to apply all the silent rules that follow. Number 2, master the gap between earning and spending. Now that you see your salary as a tool, let's get into the craft of using it. Every financial system, whether minimalist or complex, boils down to one cold, boring, but powerful fact. The gap between what you earn and what you spend determines how fast you buy freedom. Sounds dull, right? But this gap is the engine behind early retirement. Here's where the myth-busting comes in. People often say, I'll start saving when I earn more. Wrong. If you can't save at $40,000, chances are you won't save at $80,000 because you'll inflate your lifestyle proportionally. The gap is built on habit, not income level. A great strategy is to automate it. If you earn $4,000 a month, divert at least $1,000 straight into an investment account the day you get paid. That way, your lifestyle only stretches around the remaining $3,000. Behavioral research shows people adapt surprisingly well to restricted boundaries. When you never see the money, it doesn't feel like deprivation. The rule here isn't cool, but it's life-changing. Guard the gap. The size of that gap is literally the countdown timer to your freedom. And the bigger you make it without hating your life, the faster that timer ticks down. But the gap alone won't save you. What you do with that gap separates the dreamers from those actually sipping coffee on a Tuesday morning, financially free. Which brings us to the next silent rule. Number 3, deploy your savings into assets, not dead weight. Silent wealth builders do something different. They relentlessly convert savings into assets. Think index funds, rental real estate, dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, even a side business. Assets are the gears that keep turning whether you're awake, asleep, at work, or not working at all. Here's an example with small numbers. Say you take $1,000 of your monthly gap and stash it in a simple S&P 500 index fund. Historically, it grows around 7% a year. Over 15 years, that habit alone turns into almost $310,000. That's 6 figures working behind the scenes because you aimed your savings at assets instead of letting inflation chew them up. So the rule is simple. Don't just save. Invest with intention. Let every spare dollar get a job. Because the earlier those dollars clock in as employees, the sooner you'll clock out of your 9-to-5 permanently. Number 4, eliminate toxic debt before it drains you. Now, I know some people are going to object, but I can't invest because I have debt. Exactly. And that's why the silent rule here is ruthless cost-cutting. Toxic debt, credit cards, payday loans, high-interest personal loans, is like having holes in your financial bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, it leaks out faster than you can fill it. But here's the silent piece nobody states clearly enough. Not all debt is equal. A mortgage at 4% or a student loan at 3% can sometimes be managed alongside investing. But high-interest debt is financial cancer. Your first job isn't to grow wealth while it's eating you alive. It's to kill it as fast as humanly possible. Here's a relatable story. A friend once told me he couldn't save because his paycheck seemed too small. But when we looked at his numbers, he was paying $400 every month in credit card interest alone. That wasn't life being unfair. That was the consequence of carrying an anchor. Within 2 years of aggressively attacking that debt, he freed almost $5,000 a year in breathing space. Now, instead of debt payments, he's stacking investments. Silent wealth building isn't about being perfect. It's about refusing to let toxic debt quietly bleed you dry. Kill it, and you'll double the speed of your early retirement journey. Number 5. Increase income strategically without losing your life to it. Some people roll their eyes when you preach saving because they argue, "I don't earn enough to save big." Sometimes that's real. But here's the truth. You don't need to grind a second job until midnight every day to increase your income. What you need is leverage, the skill of adding dollars faster than adding exhaustion. You see, most people think in straight lines. I work one more hour, I earn one more set of wages. Early retirees think in leverage. What skills can I learn? What positioning can I use? Or what projects can I do that multiply my time? Let's say you're earning $20 an hour today. Learning a new software skill, taking on certifications, or negotiating within your company might raise that to $30 an hour. That's not some abstract theory. People who update skills and negotiate earn significantly more in the same industries. That's a 50% pay bump just by changing positioning. Now, if you run a small freelance service on the side, design, tutoring, consulting, even a small e-commerce hustle, you can ladder up additional streams without completely draining your life force. You don't spend the new income. That raise or side income doesn't buy you a new phone. It feeds your freedom fund. The myth is that you need multiple jobs. The truth is, a combination of smarter earning, focused saving, and resisting lifestyle creep. Working smarter, not endlessly harder, fuels early retirement without hating your life along the way. Number 6. Build a freedom fund, not just retirement savings. Here's the catch with traditional retirement advice. People focus only on age 65 onwards. But early retirement thinkers focus on a freedom fund, a stash of assets and income streams that free you earlier, even partially. Imagine this. You save and invest aggressively until you have enough to generate $1,000 a month. That's not retirement money, but it's freedom money. It might cover rent in a lower-cost area or let you work part-time instead of full-time. From there, you build until it covers half, then all, of your expenses. Piece by piece, your freedom fund grows until your 9 to 5 is optional. This makes the journey less intimidating because you stop thinking in overwhelming millions and start thinking in smaller milestones. Can I reach $12,000 a year in cash flow? Okay, then $25,000. Eventually, you align investments until they replace your salary altogether. By breaking it down into units of freedom, early retirement stops being a distant dream and becomes a trackable project. It's not an all-or-nothing game. Every chunk of money working for you buys chunks of your time and freedom back. That's why the freedom fund mentality is such a silent but strategic shift. So here's the bottom line. Retiring early with just a salary isn't about brilliance, inheritance, or luck. It's about systematic choices repeated silently over time. Most people never notice these choices until it's too late. They see retirement as something the government or their employer gives them. But you now know the truth. You give it to yourself with every financial decision you make. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for a giant raise. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The path is not instant, but it's inevitable for those disciplined enough to walk it. I believe in sharing knowledge that transforms lives. If this resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Now, if you want to know why 99% of people will never be rich, then watch this video.